So this one time, I just had my friends over at my house. I wasn't doing anything. We were just chilling. My mom was on the patio smoking. My friend MJ, we're gonna call him MJ, that's his actual name, and he's a piece of shit. So MJ goes out on the patio, and he's like, oh, I'm about to cook it up with Dylan's mom. I'm about to see if I can crack Dylan's mom with it, like this. He said this to me earlier. I was like, nah. I'm like, man, stop playing. We're not gonna do that. Stop playing. Alright, so he goes out there and he's chopping it up with my mom, bro. Chop it up, chop it up, chop it up. And then I see them walk past me. Oh, they both walk past me. I'm like, I'm thinking normally, no way they're gonna do something. Cause I'm a normal human. So they walking into my mom room, bro.